it's Sue Derby at Shore West Realtors with this week's Tuesday's 2 cents worth. Here's something homeowners never think about until there's a problem: the septic system. If you're considering buying a home with a septic system, here are a few things that you should know. A septic system treats wastewater from your home when municipal sewer service isn't available. Proper maintenance helps protect the groundwater, nearby lakes and streams, and your investment in your home. In Waukesha County, septic systems are part of a county maintenance program. Most systems are required to be pumped and/or inspected about every 3 years. I always get a postcard reminder in the mail when it's time. If you're buying a home with a septic system, usually as part of your offer, the system is pumped and inspected. There's several ways to maintain your septic and prolong its life. Number 1, conserve water. Spread your laundry loads throughout the week and repair dripping faucets. Too much water entering that system at any one time can overwhelm it. Next, watch what goes down the drain. Avoid grease, cooking oils, coffee grounds, paper towels, wipes, diapers, and any other non-biodegradable materials. These can clog the system and really shorten the life. Number 3, skip the additives. Many products claim to eliminate pumping or rejuvenate your septic systems, but Waukesha County really advises that those additives do not replace routine maintenance and may even be harmful. And number 4, protect the drain field. Don't drive vehicles or heavy equipment over the septic system. And know where your tank and the absorption field is so that you don't build an addition or a deck or put your pool up over there. Signs of a failing system might be frequent sewage backups, gurgling sounds from your plumbing fixtures, bad odors near the septic tank, or even inside your house. Standing water or soggy areas over the drain field and lush green grass over the field compared to the rest of your lawn could be a sign that your system is starting to fail. Replacing your septic system can cost tens of thousands of dollars, so a little septic maintenance goes a long way. Protects your wallet and your property. Thanks for tuning in to this week's Tuesday's 2 cents worth. This is Sue Derby at Shore West Realtors, your local realtor ready to work hard for you. And please, if you have any friends or family thinking about a move, pass along our information. Travis and I sure appreciate your referrals. Thanks again.